You will go to the browser and search for Microsoft Developer, and on the first page that appears, click on it, and then we will scroll down to where we have Microsoft 365, as you can see. Then from here we scroll down again until we get to Microsoft 365, where we can be able to join. You can see join the Microsoft 365 developer program. Click on join today, and on this page again we also click on join now. From here, if you have a Microsoft Outlook account, you can use it to log in. So I'm going to use mine, which is salteta1@outlook.com. If you don't have, you can create one, because you can see at the bottom they are saying if you don't have, you create one. Now I'm going to enter my password. So we are going to save the password so that we can be signed in and stay signed in automatically. Okay, now that we are done, we are going to be redirected to this dashboard, and you're going to get information. This way you are going to fill this form. You're going to fill, for example, my country is Kenya. I'm going to fill Kenya, and then on the company you write your company name. Mine is Morgan's Enterprise. And then for the language, preferably I'm using English. You accept the terms and conditions, and then you click next. From here, what is your primary focus as a developer? I'm going to select custom solutions for my own customers, and then on this one I'm going to select Microsoft Teams. So you save, and then on this page you're going to get instant Sandbox, and you're being told whatever that is included, that is Microsoft Teams, SharePoint. And here you're going to enter your credentials. First of all, I'm in Africa, so I'm going to select my region as Africa, and then I'm going to set my username that I'm going to be using for the Microsoft 365 account. So the username is salteta1. Password, I'm going to use the one for Google, the recommended one, and you can copy this password so that you can remember it, because you're going to use it later on. Here you're going to enter your phone number, and then you will be sent a code, and then you enter the code, and then you'll wait for the setup of your developer subscription. Here, this is where we have all the details, and you can see in the administrator we have Salteta, and from the users you can add 25 user licenses. Now from here we're going to select go to subscription, and we're going to be redirected to a new page where we're going to enter the password, the one that I told you to save. You paste your password here, and let's sign in again. Going to save that one. Can skip for 14 days till it's required. We're going to stay signed in. So you'll be redirected to this page where you're going to access the 365 Office, and now on the top right corner is where we're going to install the Office. So from here you click Office 365 apps, and it's going to download an executable file. And then after completing the download, you go to the downloads folder. From here you're going to run and execute the setup that we are having, and it will take some time to install. After it's done, you will be set, and you'll be told you are all set, Office is installed now. You close that, and then let's use Microsoft Word. So you're going to go to Word, and then go down to the accounts section, and here we are going to sign in. And signing in, we are going to use the email address of 365, and then you enter your password. You can skip this for now. So we are going to stay signed in all the application, Excel, PowerPoint. So it's going to finish on doing the setup. You can skip this for now. And there we go, we are done. So you can see it's getting Office ready, and actually this is Microsoft 365. So you see it belongs to Saltator. Yes, all the license, and at this point in time we are done. Everything is set, and you're going to go to home. Let's click on blank document, and you can see at the top here they have written unlicensed document, but if you close and restart again, now you can see we are good to go. And that is it. That is how you're going to use Office 365. Thank you.